What happens to your body when you jump rope every day? Jump rope is one of the underrated pieces of fitness equipment, which is a shame since it can be more effective than other forms of cardio. And even with the growing popularity of jump ropes in recent years, many people are still unaware of the multitude of benefits jumping rope does to all fitness levels. Do you want to lose weight or maybe improve your endurance and strength? Jump rope supports almost any fitness goal. What's more, it can reduce the risk of injuries and heart disease. Want to know more? Keep watching this video. In a short while, we will get into the effects of jumping rope every day on your body, so make sure to stick around. How much should you jump rope? For beginners, it's recommended to jump rope 1 to 3 times a week in short sessions, as in 1 to 5 minutes. If you are more experienced or are used to exercising regularly, you can increase the frequency. It can be 3 to 5 times a week this time, then work your way up to longer sessions, as in 15 to 30 or more minutes. Is it okay to jump rope every day? Whatever exercise regimen you have, it's always important to prioritize active recovery. Jumping rope 3 to 5 times weekly is already plenty. That said, if you wish to do it every day, then you can. Just keep your sessions short and your intensity low. More importantly, always listen to your body and rest when you need to. Now, we're back to the ultimate question of the day. How exactly does jumping rope change your body? What's in it for you if you do it daily? Let's hop right to it then. 11 things jumping rope does to you when done daily. Number 1, you burn tons of calories. A huge reason why jumping rope is amazing for people who want to reduce or manage their weight is its ability to torch large amounts of calories. Jumping rope is a cardio exercise, which means it makes your heart work faster. This in turn requires more oxygen, forcing your body to work extra hard and ultimately burn more calories. The more intense an exercise is, the more calories it burns. And jumping rope is one heck of a high-intensity workout, that much is true. In fact, you'd need to run an 8-minute mile to surpass the number of calories burned by jumping rope. Number 2, your coordination improves. How many times did the rope catch on your feet and stop you in your tracks? Times like this are very frustrating, we know. But if you're thinking of skipping rope every single day, then eventually your coordination and motor skills will improve. This benefit of jump rope was found in a study following an 8-week jump rope training among pre-adolescent soccer players. It was shown that players who had been jumping rope displayed improved balance and motor coordination. Besides improving your skipping rope skill, better coordination also benefits other daily activities like walking and driving. Want an easy and effective way of strengthening your legs? Get a jump rope now. Next up is how skipping rope every day makes your legs stronger. Number 3, your legs are stronger. Jumping rope is pretty much jumping up and down many times. Albeit simple, its long-term benefits are quite astounding. And it's also because of this very nature that makes this exercise great leg training. Based on a study, regular rope jumping significantly improves leg strength and sprinting speed. This exercise works your major leg muscles, including the calves, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. By following a daily jump rope routine, it's not much of a surprise how these muscles get stronger over time. On another note, it pays to remember that your legs bear the brunt of this exercise. So invest in a quality pair of sneakers and stop immediately if you experience discomfort or pain. Number 4, your bones are stronger. Over time, daily skipping rope can make your bones stronger. When you jump rope, it puts stress in your bones through impact. This stress is good as it compels your bones to react and adapt. As such, your bone density increases, contributing to overall good bone health. This also means that you're less susceptible to fractures. In fact, it may even lower the long-term risk of osteoporosis. And since jumping rope mainly engages the legs, the increased bone density in the lower body is much greater. Number 5, your endurance increases. Jumping rope is considered a high-intensity workout, as it can make even the fittest person get out of breath. Nevertheless, it's very worthy of your time. One of the main reasons is that it's a killer exercise for boosting your cardiovascular endurance. On top of that, it can improve muscular endurance, which is especially useful for doing stable gestures and repetitive movements. So don't give up just because you're feeling a bit worn out after a couple of times. With practice, your body will soon build endurance. Number 6, you look toned all over your body. Although skipping rope primarily involves the legs, it's also a full-body movement, which means you're engaging all muscles in your body. For this reason, it's commonly known to be great at enhancing general muscle tone. In particular, this exercise engages your arms, abs, and lower body muscles. With this, the popular belief that strength training is the only way to gain muscle can now be refuted. It turns out regular cardio like jumping rope aids in muscle growth and function, along with its benefits to your cardiovascular and respiratory systems. And while we're on the subject of heart health, let's discuss next how rope jumping every day benefits your heart. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 7, your heart health improves. When jumping rope, breaking a sweat is just around the corner, and you'd be surprised with how fast your heart rate is while you're at it. This is especially the case if you're a beginner or haven't skipped rope for some time. Being a cardio exercise, doing it regularly can do good things to your heart. According to studies, jumping rope can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. Moreover, it can help reduce and manage obesity. Number 8, your hand and grip strength is better. Most people focus on the most visible muscles, abs, arms, and glutes, but you shouldn't neglect the little ones. It may not be a huge accomplishment to some, but skipping rope every day can make your hands and grip stronger. That's because it requires you to always grip onto the handles and work your hands to guide the rope underneath your feet. In this case, your hand muscles are constantly in contraction. This results in increased grip strength. Additionally, when you grip the handles, it produces tension in the forearms, thus making them stronger. These muscles also contribute to your grip strength. Number 9, your risk of injury decreases. Your feet also get a lot of action given the continuous bouncing up and down that jumping rope entails. Over time, this strengthens your feet, but more importantly, it lowers your chances of getting certain sports injuries. Aside from strengthening your leg muscles, this exercise is also excellent for training your ankles, knees, and feet. With the constant activation and use of the tendons and ligaments in these parts, they eventually become more robust, leading to stronger feet. And the stronger these areas become, the better you are at withstanding common injuries. Number 10, your lung capacity enhances. This is a good thing because over time, it can lead to a remarkable increase in your lung capacity. Although you cannot improve or restore lung function, it can boost the capacity of the lungs, thus boosting endurance and reducing breathlessness. Also, when you're skipping rope daily, your lungs will gradually take in more oxygen, which makes breathing easier during exercise and outside exercise. Plus, your lung capacity says a lot about your overall health and longevity. One of the major benefits of jumping rope is its positive influence on mental health. Yet strangely, this contribution is often overlooked. More details on this next. Number 11, your mental health is better. Experts say that regular physical activity is strongly associated with better quality of life and mental health outcomes. In fact, even shorter bouts of exercise, such as a jumping rope session, can already provide significant benefits. For instance, 15 minutes of jumping rope a day can reduce feelings of sadness and even help fight depression. What's more, frequent physical exercises may help lower the risk of developing dementia, and skipping rope is specifically a great type of exercise for this. Are you also a fan of jumping rope? If not, then did the video perhaps convince you to try it out? Leave your thoughts about this fun exercise below.